Urn 1 contains 5 red and 6 black balls. Urn 2 contains 4 red and 6 black balls. And urn 3 contains 3 red and 6 black balls. Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
the question here is, before that, what is given here is the one urn is chosen at random. Any of the three urns, out of any of the three urns, you choose one, any one you want, and you draw a ball. Okay. You draw a single ball, one ball, and you find that the color of the ball is black. The question here is, what is the probability that it had been chosen from urn 2? So now see, as I told you yesterday, that this event is the main event. That is, this is event is given to us. That you should take note of. Okay. While framing the events, you must take note
Yes,
of
sir.
this event, what event is given to us. Okay. So what I do is, since this event is given, the first thing that I do is I frame this event first. Let us frame the following events. Let us form the following events. Now, the event that is given is that the color of the ball is black. So what I do is I take the event A as black ball drawn. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Black ball drawn. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now see, this is our given event. Now I'll take, now see, and you can choose any one of these urns, right? So what I do is I take E1 as my event as urn 1 chosen. Urn 1 is chosen. Okay. I take E2 as my event as urn 2 chosen. And E3 is my event that urn 3 is chosen. Is that absolutely clear?
Yes, sir.
Now look at the question. Once I have formed the events, look at the question. This is how you will approach Bayes theorem problems. Okay. You will form the events. First, you will see the given event, which we have taken A, and then you will form the other events. What are the events? That E1 is urn 1 chosen, E2 is urn 2 chosen, E3 is urn 3 chosen. Now you will look at the question. What is the probability that it has been chosen from urn 3? So urn 3 is what? E3, right? Urn 3 is what? E3, right?
Yes.
That means we have to find P E3, not only E3, but slash A. What is the given event? That the black ball is drawn. That means we have to find the probability that urn 3 is chosen given that given that black ball is drawn. Is that absolutely clear? This part. Is this part clear? I can't hear you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this
Hello.
part must be very clear,
Yes, sir.
that we have to find PE3, that is P, that urn 3 is chosen given that the ball is black according to our question. Okay, now we shall see what probabilities are given to us. Now see what probabilities are given to us. We have, now the question is, Now, what is
The color of the is black.
yes, but what is, we have to find PE3/A, right? That means these probabilities have to be
Sir.
given. PA/E1, this probability has to be given. Why should it has to be given? Because as I told you, this is E3/A. That means A/E1, E2, and E3 must be given to you. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
A/E2 must be given, and PA/E3 must be given. Do you see what is the trend here? See, we have to find E3 PE3/A, right? That means just the inverse
Yes,
of
sir.
this, just the inverse of this, A/E1, A/E2, A/E3 must be given. Do you see the pattern here?
Yes, sir.
So after framing the questions, you will now look at the probabilities. Okay. So let us now see PA/A3. What do you mean by PA/A3? Probability that black ball is chosen given that it was earn one. Given that it was earn one, right?
Yes, sir.
This is A/E1, right? This event, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
What is A/E1? Now
Yes.
you tell me. Now you tell me what should be PA/E1. Probability that black
Uh,
ball probability that black ball is chosen given that it is the first earn. It is that earn one. What is the probability? Yes, tell me. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Probability that the black ball is chosen given that earn one is chosen. How many black balls here? There are 6 black balls. So what is PA slash, and what is the total number of balls? 11.
6 by 11.
6 by 11. Exactly. Similarly, PA/E3. If you are choosing, if black ball is chosen, given that it is earned 2. So what should be the probability? 6 by 10, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. And next, this is A/E3. Black ball is chosen given that the earn is, given that it is chosen from earn 3. So this is 6 by 9. 6 by 9, right? Isn't it? Also, what you must see is that what is, if there are 3 earns, what is the probability that earn 1 is chosen?
Mm,
Okay, fine.
Probability
We will
that
we will
on
we will first
one
write
is
base.
chosen.
Wait. We'll first write base theorem, then we will write. Okay, that would be easier for you. Okay,
Oh,
we have to find
yes,
PE3/A.
sir.
So therefore, from base theorem, what is PE3/A? From base theorem, what is PE3/A? I told you how to write base theorem. You write PE3 into PA/E3, right? Divided
Yes.
by summation.
Summation
I is equal to how many earns are there? 1, 2, 3.
3. Yes, sir.
PEI into PA/EI, right?
Yes, sir.
Once we have written base
Yes,
theorem,
sir.
we'll just expand this a little. PE3, PA/E3 divided by PE1, PA/E1 plus PE2 PA/E2 plus PE3 into PA/E3, right?
Yes, sir.
Now we shall find the probabilities. So here, what is PE1, PE2, PE3? PE1 is how much? PE2 is how much? And PE3 is how much? What is the PE1? Probability that urn 1 is chosen. How many urns are there? 3 urns. So what is the probability that urn 1 is chosen? 1/3. Probability that urn 2 is chosen is also 1/3. Probability that urn 3 is chosen also 1/3. Now we shall find out PA/E1. As I told you earlier, PA/E1. What is PA/E1? Again, this is A/E1. Probability that black ball is chosen given that urn 1 is selected, right? So what should be 6
Yes,
by
sir.
11?
Yes, sir. 6 by 11.
Next, PA/E2. Probability that black ball is chosen given that urn 2 is selected. This is 6 by 10, right?
6 by, yes, sir. 6 by 10.
And PA/E3. Probability that black ball is
6 by
chosen
9.
given that urn 3 is chosen. So how many? 6 by 9.
6 by 9.
Now we have got all the values that we require in Bayes theorem.
Yes, sir.
Now we just put the values. Hence, PE3/A is equal to, put the value, PE3 is how much? 1/3. PA/E3 is how much? 6 by 9 divided by, this is 1/3, into PA/E1 is 6 by 11 plus PE2 is 1/3. PA/E2 is 6 by 10 plus PE3 is 1/3. PA/E3 is 6 by 9. Okay. Now it is easy to simplify. You can simplify this, okay, and find out the value to be 4 by 11. Understood?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I repeat once again, Amir, that now that you have come, okay,